The home of sports of kings, where racing is always at its best, and the rough. Early lead is taken by Randa Dance by the Real Maypan on the farther outside. Katipunera, Doña Ninita, and moving up on the inside is getting better. And as they leave the straight, it's Randa Dance by a length and a half, followed by Maypan on the outside in second. Katipunera running in third by 2.5 lengths, getting better. And Doña Ninita heading for the back stretch. It's Randa Dance by a length and a half, followed by Maypan on the outside in second. And getting better, running in third by 3.5 lengths, Katipunera. And bringing up the rear is Doña Ninita, the favorite. The mid-back stretch, Randa Dance, Maypan on the outside, getting better, closing in third, Katipunera. And Doña Ninita rounding the far turn. It's Randa Dance by the Real Maypan on the outside in second, getting better, closing in third, Katipunera. Moving up on the inside is Doña Ninita. And the last bend for home, it's Randa Dance, getting better, Katipunera. And moving up on the inside is Doña Ninita. And into the home stretch, Randa Dance, getting better, Katipunera. And Doña Ninita moving up on the inside. At the top of the stretch, Randa Dance getting better, and Doña Ninita moving up on the inside. Doña Ninita on the inside, and Randa Dance getting better, Katipunera and Maypan. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Doña Ninita by the rail. It's Doña Ninita moving up on the outside, is Katipunera. And finally at the payoff line, it's Katipunera.